While the world struggled to deal with the deadly coronavirus, it was sports yet again that helped maintain sanity and provided happiness and joy to millions of people around the world. 2021 saw some incredible performances of sporting and athletic abilities that brought smiles to sports fans around the world. The Sports Republic brings you the top 10 sporting moments of 2021 that inspired and amazed fans across the globe. 9 days after accepting a special exemption from the US Open, Phil Mickelson rendered it unnecessary in amazing fashion by becoming the oldest winner in major championship history. Mickelson held his nerve during a pulsating final round at the Kiawah Island to win his sixth major title in the 103rd US PGA Championship, 16 years on from lifting the Wanamaker Trophy for the first time. The 50-year-old was a 280-1 outsider at the start of the week, but a closing 73 was enough to finish 2 shots ahead of Brooks Koepka and Louis Oosthuizen. Julius Boros had been the previous oldest major champion, claiming the US PGA title in 1968 at the age of 48. In the UEFA European Championships of 2021, Denmark's Christian Eriksen suffered a cardiac arrest during the first half of his side's opening game against Finland. The distressing scenes of Eriksen suddenly collapsing and receiving treatment on the pitch were seen around the world, and Denmark's team doctor Morten Boysen later confirmed that the former Tottenham player was gone prior to being resuscitated. Denmark's captain Simon Kjær was the first player on the scene and appeared to clear Eriksen's airways before his anxious teammates formed a protective ring around him as he received treatment. The match resumed nearly after 2 hours and was followed by one of the most defining moments of the tournament. One set of fans at the Parken Stadium chanting Christian, with the other following it up with Eriksen. Arguably the most joyous moment of Tokyo Olympics came when high jumpers Gianmarco Tamberi and Mutas Issa Bashim decided to share the Olympic title rather than face a jump-off. Tamberi was thrilled with Bashim's offer and instantly accepted before jumping into his rival's arm, truly representing the Olympic motto, faster, higher, stronger, together. The Japanese created history by becoming the youngest Olympic individual champion from Japan and the third youngest individual gold medal winner after winning the women's skateboarding gold at just 13 years and 330 days. Nishia started in the tricks section to score a 15.26 and give the hosts a clean sweep of the street discipline as skateboarding made its Olympic debut. Sifan Hassan's odyssey from refugee to one of the greatest athletes of this or any other era was confirmed in Tokyo as she became the first person to win 3 medals over 1500 meters, 5000 meters and 10,000 meters. During this magnificent feat, Sifan bumped into another runner, fell in the 1500 meter heat, but over the final lap, Hassan incredibly made up ground in stunning fashion, eventually pulling past the competition and winning the heat. She was ranked 150th in the world when she entered the US Open qualifying. Yet, 10 matches later, she was clutching the trophy after becoming the first British woman to win a Grand Slam single title since Virginia Wade in 1977. Wade was watching from the stands at the Flushing Meadows as the 18-year-old Raducanu defeated fellow teenager Leylah Fernandez 6-4-6-3 in the final, just 3 months after completing her A-levels. When Valentino Rossi started racing motorcycles in 1996, Michael Schumacher was yet to win a race, let alone a championship with Ferrari. New MotoGP champion Fabio Quartararo was not even born, and technology giant Google hadn't been founded. The Doctor, as he is affectionately called by his fans, ran his last race at his home track in Misano after a 26-year career, which brought 1 world title at 125cc, 1 at 250cc, and 7 in MotoGP and an army of fans. The Doctor, whose helmet this weekend incorporates images of his fans, said on Thursday that he hoped to be remembered as a racer with a long career and good results, but most important is that people enjoyed with him. New Zealand's Mumbai-born spinner Ajaz Patel claimed all 10 wickets in the second test against India, becoming only the third bowler in cricket history to achieve the feat. The 33-year-old Patel, whose parents immigrated to New Zealand in 1996, joined England off-spinner Jim Laker and Indian leg spinner Anil Kumble in picking all wickets in an innings. MMA journeywoman Juliana Pena defeated MMA superstar Amanda Nunes by submission after a rear naked choke in the second round at UFC 269 to win the bantamweight title from the long-reigning two-division champion. The pre-fight support for the challenger from fans and pundits was minimal, but she had utmost confidence that she'll be able to get the job done. The shocker was a 10-1 upset. As per betting odds, the MMA has seen bigger odds. In reality, however, there has never been a bigger upset than Pena stopping Nunes. The only thing more surprising than Pena winning was the method in which she got it done. She landed hard shots on Nunes early in the second round before getting it to the ground and locking in a rear naked choke. As Pena said, it was a testament to her well-rounded ability. After an incident-packed season, Red Bull's Max Verstappen and Mercedes driver Lewis Hamilton amazingly went into the final race in Abu Dhabi level on points in pursuit of a first and record 8th driver's title respectively. Verstappen started from pole but was beaten off the line by Hamilton, and the British driver appeared to be cruising to victory until a safety car was required with 5 laps remaining. Verstappen pitted for fresh tyres, and with the lapped cars between the Dutchman and Hamilton controversially allowed to get out of the way by race director Michael Massey, Verstappen surged past his rival on the final lap to seal an extraordinary victory. There were many other extraordinary moments of sporting genius from 2021. We would love for you to mention your top 10 moments or any other moments that we may have missed that deserve the shout out for the top 10. Do share your thoughts and opinions in the comment box down below. Please like the video, subscribe to the Sports Republic, and also share it with other sports fans. Thanks for watching.